Hey guys, how are you doing? After latest WhatsApp update, several users are reporting issues with their phone call history. WhatsApp record is dialing to some random numbers instead of the actual number that is stored in the phone book or that is showing in the call history. So the problem seems to be happening only with the phone app. This is not iOS 18 related bug. So irrespective of the current operating system that you are in, the version that you are in, this problem could happen to any WhatsApp users after the latest WhatsApp update. If you are running the latest version, 5 days ago they have released an update 24.24.7, then you could possibly experience the same issue when you try to call a person using the phone app WhatsApp call history. Then you will be taken to some random numbers, and in some cases it asks to invite that person, to WhatsApp. So here I have received a WhatsApp video call. It is a missed call, and when I try to dial that number, it says the phone number isn't on WhatsApp and asks me to invite to WhatsApp. It's because of some wrong number randomly selected by the WhatsApp messenger after the recent update. So this is clearly a WhatsApp side bug, even though the number is saved and I was able to receive the recent call, both video and audio call, for testing purposes from my secondary number. This is clearly a WhatsApp side bug, and all you can do is navigate to the WhatsApp settings and scroll to the last, tap on the help center, scroll to the last and contact support. Just submit your feedback that your WhatsApp call history is not in sync with the iPhone phone app call history. I have already submitted the feedback and I'm expecting WhatsApp to address and fix this issue in the upcoming update. Possibly in 2 or 3 days we can expect an update to fix this contact call history sync related issue with iPhone's phone application. So this problem cannot be fixed by other means. So other troubleshooting steps won't work, obviously. So we have to wait for the upcoming WhatsApp update in order to fix this issue. We'll share the news in our YouTube community post. So to stay updated, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.